selling like hot cakes, selling like hot cakes, to have a very good sale, to sell quickly, send him packing, terminate his services, send him packing, terminate his services, separate the wheat from the calf, separate the wheat from the chaff, to separate the valuable from the worthless, to separate the valuable from the worthless, set at liberty, to release, set forth explained, set one's sights on, to decide to achieve something, set the record straight, give a correct account, set the wheels in motion, to initiate a chain of events, set their face against, opposed strongly, sake of, to get rid of, start as a tech, mentally active, a clever person, start practice, dishonest means, said crocodile tears, to pretend to be sympathetic, to pretend grief, false tears, said light on, to explain a situation, soak in their souls, trembled with fear, should throw, live typically to isolate from and avoid someone or something, shooting fish in a barrel, exceptionally easy to do, shot in the dark, an attempt that is not expected to succeed or very little chance of working, randomly doing something, the outcome of which is unknown, show white flag, surrendered, silver bullet, a simple and seemingly magical solution to a complicated problem, silver tongue, speaking with an eloquent expression to convince people, sit in judgment, to criticize someone, especially when you have no right or to do so, sit on the fence, to remain neutral, to refuse to take sides in a dispute, halting between two opinions, sit tight, wait patiently, sitting on a gold mine, to own something potentially valuable, slack off, to work less hard or reduce the intensity of effort, slap on the wrist, a very small, mild punishment, sleep on it, to wait before making a decision, sleep off, leave quickly, sleep one's mind to forget something, slow and steady, make consistent progress for success, small potatoes, unimportant, smash hit, an outstanding success, smell blood, to sense a weakness in your opponent, smooth ruffled figures, make people feel less often, smooth sailing, easy progress, snake in the grass, an reliable and decideful person, a treacherous person, a secret enemy, snort under, busy, so far so good, things are going well so far, soft option, easy and agreeable option, do the thing that is easiest or least likely to cause trouble in a particular situation, sought after, in great demand, so build odds, to waste time by doing foolish things, especially by having a lot of sexual relationships, engaging in rebelliousness or promiscuity, speak of the devil, the person we were just speaking about showed up, speaks volumes, gives enough proof, conveys a great deal without using words, speak and span, very neat, clean and tidy, spill the beans, disclose the secrets accidentally, spin one's wheels, expel much effort for little or no gain, to make a lot of effort without achieving anything, split hairs, to argue about very small and unimportant details, split one-sided laughing, be extremely amused, to laugh a lot, speed like wildfire, speed rapidly, spring to mind, dawns on, to come quickly into your mind without making any effort, square peg in a round hole, a misfit in the environment, stab someone in the back, betray someone, stand a chance, have a possibility, stand by, to support or remain loyal to someone, stand for, to represent or symbolize something, stand in one's own light, to act against one's own interest, stand office, indifferent, stand still, complete halt, start from scratch, start entirely from the beginning, start, set, get the ball rolling, to start doing something, status quo, unchanged position, steal someone's thunder, take credit for something someone else did, steer clear of, avoid someone or something because it is dangerous for you, step up to the plate, to take responsibility in a difficult situation, stick to one's guns, maintain one's own opinion, to stand firm against all difficulties and challenges, sticky fingers, an inclination to steal waters run deep, to have patience or great intelligence underneath a calm expression, stir up a hornet's nest, caused anger in many people, provoke trouble, to raise controversy, stole the show, won every day everybody's praise, straight from the horse mouth, hear something from someone who has direct personal knowledge directly from the person involved, strain every nerve, work very hard to make utmost efforts, show in the mind an indication of what might happen, strike a bargain, to negotiate a deal, strike while the iron is hot, to act at the right time, grab a favorable opportunity promptly.